In this tutorial, we will learn how to redirect a subdomain to an external URL in Plesk. This tutorial assumes that you already know how to log into your Plesk account. In the Websites and Domains interface of your Plesk account, there is a list of all the domains. Click on the hosting settings icon, provided in the same row of the subdomain you wish to redirect. Now click to change the hosting type from website hosting to forwarding. We need to give a destination address. Enter the external URL of the website where you wish to redirect your subdomain. There are 3 different options of forwarding types. Each option is provided with a small 2-line explanation just below them. Click on the Options button and select the appropriate option as per your requirement. I will leave the default selection. Now settings look ready to be applied. Let's click on the Apply button. It shows a warning message that I will lose the data of the website. You are recommended to create a backup of the domain. In my case, I don't need the data anymore. Let's click on the Yes button. Success! The selected subdomain has been redirected to the destination address we provided. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.